Hello and welcome. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to change the appearance or theme on Skype using your smartphone. Customizing the theme can make Skype more comfortable on your eyes, especially if you prefer dark mode at night or light mode during the day. Skype allows you to switch between light mode, dark mode, or even use system theme so it matches your phone's settings automatically. Let's walk through the process in detail. Unlock your smartphone and tap the Skype app icon to launch it. Make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're in the Skype main screen, look to the top of the screen and tap on your profile picture or your initials icon. This will open your Skype profile menu. In the profile menu, scroll down and tap Settings. This will open up all the customization options and preferences for your Skype account. Inside Settings, look for and tap the Appearance or Theme option. This is where you can change how Skype looks on your phone. Now, you'll see several options. Light, for bright environments, or, if you like a white background. Dark, ideal for nighttime or low light use, easier on the eyes. Use device theme. This will automatically follow whatever theme your phone is using, light or dark. Tap on the theme you want to use. As soon as you tap, Skype will instantly switch to that theme. Once the theme is applied, you can tap the back arrow or simply exit settings. The change is saved automatically. No need to tap, save or confirm. But if you want to change color of bubble chat, you can open room chat with your friends. Then tap their name, account, or their profile. You'll see Themes, Options. Tap on it. Now you can choose the color for bubble chat with your friends. After you choose, click the check icon. And that's it. Now your color of bubble chat has been changed. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.